Matt here, Atlas Precision Consulting. In this quick video, we're going to still talk about mass update, and we're talking about job status and a feature that came in a little bit later into the web version of P21. Now, you've probably seen the job status, the results button. When we click this, this will give us all of our batches that have been submitted, when they were submitted, their name, and their current status. And next to each of these, there are little arrows where you can click and open them up and see them all. Now you'll see that there is a past, and then there's a message here. If there were, and you can also filter here, but back in the old days, you had to just keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and find the ones that failed. In later versions of the web version and the current one, there's now an export button, and when you do that, it'll download all of this information into an Excel document that allows you to go through and review and look for those error message. And here's an example. Like I did one small file here that had one failure in it, and obviously if this was lost in the middle of hundreds or thousands of records, it would be hard to find. But by exporting it, you get an Excel document where you can then filter down to just the failed statuses, figure out why they failed. Like this one in here was, it was an invalid price family ID, and you can see what the value was that we had put in there. So it's a very useful tool when you're doing bigger batches, especially when you're doing the Excel query version of this, where you're actually importing Excel documents, which could be very massive files. So just go to job status, you can export them, and that's it. Stay tuned for more videos on mass update. If you have questions on mass update or anything else, put a comment down below. Make sure you like and subscribe. And as always, Atlas is here for your P21 needs.